All right, guys, here's my update on Litecoin. First of all, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen if you haven't already, and click the notification bell if you want to get notified when I post new videos or go live, which I haven't went live yet, but I plan to in the future, especially in critical moments. But another thing I wanna include is the reason I'm asking for the subscriptions. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I want to get to my first goal is 200 subscribers. If you could help me get to that, I'm gonna do a crypto swag giveaway. Give away some T-shirts, some beer koozies, and coffee mugs, maybe. With the crypto of your choice on it, whatever your favorite crypto is, that's what we'll put on it and get it out to you. But yeah, and please hit the thumbs up. The thumbs up help with the algorithm on YouTube to help get the videos put up when people are doing searches. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys would give it a thumbs up. Just take a second, go down right under the video, click the thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. But anyway, I'm going to start out by saying this isn't financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This is my view of the market, my personal opinion of what I see happening. But all right, let's get on with the video. This is Litecoin, the daily chart. This is the descending wedge that I've been watching, and it looks that we've broken out of it. And you can see my targets here, 51.64-ish and 55 to 56 possibility. As always, no guarantees, but let's go into the 4-hour chart, kind of see where we're at. All right. I've been watching this possible inverse head and shoulders that a lot of people were saying was not, but it looks to be, and it looks like we've broken out of the neckline. If you look at the white neckline right here, this will be the left shoulder going back up, hitting the neckline, into the head, back up to the neckline, and the right shoulder. And it looks like we've broken through the neckline, and now we're probably letting all the oscillators and everything cool down to continue up more, in my opinion. If we don't break back down under the neckline, and if we do, it's not the end of the world. We could test this support around 36 and then go back up. But what I'm seeing here, if I go, let's go in a little closer. Let's go into the hourly and kind of get a zoomed in view of what's going on here at the moment. And this might change by the time I get my video uploaded, but what seems to be is it looks like we're either going to form maybe a triangle here or a bull flag and then probably continue up. And that's my opinion, of course. A good way to look at the target on this stuff is you can see the breakout right here off of this little bull flag, and if you measure that flag, it should get us from the breakout there to our target, and that's exactly what it did. Pretty close anyways. Anyway, like I said, I believe we'll be continuing up, and this will probably form some sort of triangle or bull flag here and continue on up. Everything's looking good. Let's go in a little bit deeper just to take a look at like the 15-minute maybe and see what it looks like. Let's see. It's actually looking good. Yeah, like I said, everything's looking pretty bullish on this chart. I know a lot of people are still saying, you know, it's going to fail and we're going to go down lower. And I'm not saying that we're not going to go lower or go down to maybe retest the bottom, but I do believe in this Elliott wave count I got here, and it could change as we get more data, but I've been watching this for quite a while, at least maybe a week or so, if you've been watching my videos. But this ascending broadening wedge here, It's been staying right within this pretty good. I guess the next thing I want to go over is, if you look into, let's go into my RSI, look at the 4 hours, see this channel that we've been following, and it seems to be, you know, following this extremely well, making lower or higher lows here, and I believe we'll probably come up and touch this area and then come back down in the channel. But as long as we don't break this bottom trend line in the channel, I see us continuing up to at least hit the top of this channel. And then if we go into the 1 hour, or the 1 day, I'm sorry, you can see there's an ascending broadening wedge also in the RSI, even on the daily. And we could probably go up and touch the top of it here, and then, you know, come back over, and maybe one more boost up. That's the reason I'm calling for these to be as high as I am. And if this first target here, this would be the measured breakout of this inverse head and shoulders. If you measure from the neckline down to the tip of the head, and then come to where the breakout is, that brings us right to that 5164 area. And then you go back into the 4 hour where I have the Elliott wave count. Go back into here, and if you measure, if this is going to be wave 1 and wave 2, you take your Fibonacci retracement. Let me get it in here. Or your Fibonacci extension, I'm sorry. Take your Fibonacci extension, go to where wave 1 started, to the end of wave 1, and then where wave 2 started. And that brings us right to the 1.618, which would, in my opinion, is going to be wave 3. It all adds up, and you look over here, and that's where we have, you know, some major, it used to be major support, which will become major resistance. And then if this plays out the way I'm seeing it, if you take your Fibonacci retracement and go down to the start of wave, what I believe is the start of wave 3, the end of wave 2, and go up to where we had that. This wave 4, where it would come down and touch the bottom of this trend, is the 0.5 Fibonacci. That would line up perfectly with the ascending broadening wedge, but it could also, you know, it could get a bounce from 0.236 or 0.382, which would be at about the $42 range, or it could go all the way down to you know, any of these areas. But I really see this ascending broadening wedge pattern supporting us on these trends here. Get that out of the way there. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. And you know, this could go up even higher and go into the 60. Well, let's see. Let's do the fibs on that. Do an extension from the beginning of wave 2. If it were to play out like this, here back down to where I have the 4. Yeah, if it were to play out like this, we could go up to the $58 range, or even if it was an extended fifth wave, we could reach the 63.50, 63.60 area. But it's kind of early for that. Let's just see how this plays out. And like I said, I just wanted to do an updated video today on Litecoin. I did my Bitcoin video earlier this morning, if any of you guys seen that. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. And just like in the Bitcoin, I believe if this does play out, these 5 waves would be wave 1 of 5 bigger waves. And if that's the case, we take our Fibonacci retracement out, go to where wave 1 started, go up to the wave 5, we'll start with this one, the 55. It could, like I said, it could go higher, but and if you look at the 0.782 retrace or 0.786 retracement, that would bring us back down to the 29.25 roughly for the wave 2 coming down. Yeah, that's my view of the market. I know a lot of people, don't think the bottom's in, but I really think this could have been the bottom. Not to say that we won't come down and retest it, but I don't see us going down any further. I could be wrong, but I just don't see it. But anyways, I want to thank you and remind you again, please subscribe to the video and click the thumbs up. Like I said, it helps me with the algorithm and the searches and the search engines. Yeah. Hopefully this helps you out, gives you another view at the market. I know there's a lot of people to watch on here with a lot of different views. I guess the more you watch, the better, and then come up with your own, start learning to do your own analysis and your own charting, and become more confident in yourself and the market. Depending on others isn't always a good idea, to play off mine, and if I'm wrong, then it could be bad. But anyways, yeah, this is what I'm seeing, and I hope you all have a great day, and just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I am just showing you my view of the market, and hopefully can help you out, if in your thoughts on what's going on in the market. Please leave comments in the comment section if you have any comments that might help me get, better my channel, and I'm up for, for anything that might help me grow the channel. If I don't know, some people, if you like the news or whatever, I'm willing to do, try new things and see what helps the channel grow. But anyways, I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next video.